So in the last video we have discussed from 11th question to 20th question, and in this video from 20th 21st question to 30th question. And here the question consists: Apurva can do a piece of work. Apurva, I am just notating it as A. Apurva can do a piece of work in 12 days. And Amit, in how many days I don't know, but they distributed the amount as 54 rupees. Apurva and Amit 81 rupees. Generally, the work ability can be distributed. The work ability, work caliber, the efficiency, caliber, ability, all these are synonyms. So that based on that only the amount will be distributed, because the amount will be given to the people on the basis of their work. So work can be done on the basis of their ability and their caliber. So 27 2 times, 27 3 times. So 2:3 is the ability. Now 3 parts is nothing but 12. 2 parts will be 8. So how I am getting? Because the ability and the days ratio is 3:2. So this is efficiency ratio, this is caliber ratio, this is 1 day work. So all these are synonyms. So 3:2 is days ratio, 3:2 is days ratio. So 3 parts is 12, 2 parts will be 8 days. So Amit is 8 days. Amit is 8 days. In how many days must have taken to complete work together? Together means 12 3 times. 12 3 times 36. So how I am getting? LCM of 12 and 8 is, again I can write it as just 24. 24 is the LCM, and if I add ratio, 2 plus 3 is 5, answer is 4 by 5 days. This is exact answer, 4.8 days. 4.8 days. So this is very simple, as Apurva can complete alone in 12 days, and Amit, with the help of Amit, they completed and they distributed the amount 54 rupees and 81 rupees. So based on the amount 54 and 81, I just came to know that their working abilities are 2:3. So based on 2:3, I just come to know 12 2 times. If the question is only 4 by 5, only number of days, that can be answered very faster, even more faster. Apurva in 12 days, Amit don't know, and Apurva plus Amit need to calculate. This is actual question. So 54 rupees and 81 rupees. 54 rupees and 81 rupees is the price, wages. So 27 2 times and 27 3 times is 2:3 is the ratio. 2:3 is the wages ratio. The wages ratio is nothing but their ability. The ability ratio is nothing but their caliber. So the ratio 2 plus 3 I need to use in the denominator. 2 plus 3 I need to use in the denominator, and 12 times 2 is 24, or I can add this as 5. So the same 5 in the denominator. 12 2 times. Right? Why I am taking 12 2 times? 12 days alone, 12 days she can do. Apurva can complete the work, but per day 1 day 2 works can be done. So 12 2 times 24. So 24 pieces of work. Assume that the 2 works are nothing but 2 laddus. 2 works are nothing but 2 sweets. A 2 work eating is the work. Then 2 laddus 1 day. On 1 day she can eat 2 laddus. In 12 days she can able to eat 24 laddus. So 24 by 5, which is 4 by 5, which is 4.8 days. So this is the shortest way to answer. I am taking time only to explain the answer, but To answer it properly, we can do it in no time. If you understood, type. So here in the next question, Raju is twice as good as Vijay. So if Vijay will do one work, Raju will do two works. So that is according to the first sentence. Then together they finish work within 14 days. That means Raju and Vijay, they'll complete in 14 days. So this is fixed. So now please understand what I have given a structure to you to calculate very faster. So two works will be done for one day and one work will be done for one day by Vijay. And if they both together, please understand, if they combine together, they will work three works. So 14 three times, because within 14 days work can be completed, but they can do one day three works. So 14 three times, so 42 units of work is there. 42 laddus is there to eat. They can eat. The work is to eat 42 laddus. The work is to keep 42 bricks. Any work, anything, the quantity of work is distributed in terms of 42. So now the actual question here is how many days Vijay alone. So Vijay alone is the question mark. 42. He can able to do only one work per day. So one work, how many days he need to do to complete 42? So answer is 42 days. He required 42 days. So answer is 42. So this is very simple. Yes. So here the next question. In a company XYZ, that is not that much important. Certain number of engineers, this is very important. So certain number of employees, yes, assume that it is X, working can develop a design in 40 days. That means into 40 days. Why I am using it? So this looks like M1, this looks like D1. M1 D1 equals to M2 D2. What is the value of M2? So if there were 5 more engineers means X plus 5. And D2 is 10 less days. 40 minus 10 is 30. So 40x equal to X plus 5 times 30. 40x equal to X plus 5 times 30. 0 cancel. 4x equal to 3x plus 15. So 4x minus 3x is X. X equal to 15. The value of X is 15. How many were there in the beginning? It's 15. So that is the end of 23rd question. Now the next question is 12 men and 16 boys can do a piece of work in 5 days. And 13 men and 24 boys can do the same in 4 days. So if you observe it very clearly, it is just like M1 D1 M2 T. So by using that, I can take it as 12M plus 16B into 5 equals to 13M 20 plus 24B into 4. Why I am taking this? Here he is asking a man, work done by a man with the boy. That means he is asking M is to B. So this is what the question is. I can compare by using M1 D1 equals to M2 D2. That's why I am just using it all the terms, but it is combination of two groups, but the days is D1. So I am just trying to multiply these two and trying to multiply the other two, and I'll equate it as I am going to implement M1 D1 equals to M2 D2 here. So 12 times, it's 60M plus 16 5 times 80B equals to 13 4 time is 52m plus 24b means 96b. So 52 if I keep here 8m equals to 80b. If I go there, the right hand side, if I shift that, then it is minus 80. 96 minus 80 is 16b. So 8 one time, 8 two time. So now cross multiply m and b. If I cross multiply m and b, what will happen? It's m by b equals to, m is there, b will come here. 2 is already there, by 1. 2 by 1. So it's 2 is to 1. It's 2 is to 1. So if you understood, type U in the comment box. So now A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B can do the same work in 20 days. They worked together for 5 days. So they worked for 5 days. A goes away after that. A plus B. They worked for 5 days and A goes away. That means B is working next. So in how many days B will finish the work? So they worked 5 days. After that B in X days. After that B in X days. So if I observe carefully, 10 and 20, they are in 1:2. That means 2:1 is 1 day work. Efficiency ratio or 1 day work. So that can be calculated. Very easily. So or else I can consider in another way. 10 days and 20 days. 10 days and 20 days. LCM is 20. 10 2 time. 20 1 time. So the values can be 2 and 1. So the total work is 20. In how many days that will be? So they can, when they are both, they are working together, then 2 plus 1, they are able to do 3 works per day. So 5 days they worked, 5 times 3 plus B will work only for 1. So X days 1 equals to 20. The reason is 20 is the total number of works. So 5 3 times 15. 20 minus 15 is 5. X equal to 5. So X value is 5 days. So the other method can be A can complete in 10 days. B can complete in 20 days. So 1 day work is 1 by 10. 1 day work is 1 by 20. So I can make it as 1 by 10 and 1 by 20 in another way. So 1 day work is okay. 5 days of A plus B. And X days of B equal to 1. When 1 is work completed, then that can be possible. So, but at present here I am considering it as not as 1 as work completed, 20 as work completed. The 20 how I am getting? So the other end that will be 1 by 20, but this end it will be 20. But here I am keeping 1 as here. So 5 times 10 plus 5 times 20. Why I am writing 5 times 5 divided by 10 and 5 divided by 20? Reason, 5 by 10 means A work of 5 days. 5 by 20 means B work of 5 days. Plus X days of 20 equals to 1. If I do that, 20, 20, 10, LCM is 20. So 5 2 times 10 plus 5 plus X equal to 1. So that equal to 1 is nothing but 15 plus X equal to 20. So the other end. So if it moves to the right hand side, the by 20 will be 20 only. So 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus X equal to 20. If you observe this, X value is 5. If you observe these steps, so you can able to understand why I kept all these. So if you observe carefully, you can understand how I made all these. So A is 10 days, B is 20 days, and LCM is 20 and 2 and 1, 3. So if you observe the step, The same step I can able to generate there, but it uses fractions 1 by 20, 1 by 5, 1 by 10 like that. But here I'll get a magnitude value 20. So I can solve very faster. So that is the reason I am making 20 as number of units. But this is strictly a books method, but this is strictly a logical method. So I just told you please follow the logical method. Okay, is that clear? If you observe carefully, A is 10 days and B is 20 days. But why I am taking 20 as LCM, why I am taking 20 as a number, why I am taking 20 as a work? The only reason, so that the work can be distributed among 10 days. Each day I will get a value rather than a fraction. 20 days means even 20 parts can be distributed very easily. Why I am considering, only reason is I should able to distribute among the 20 days without taking any fraction into it, so as to make my calculation very easy, make my calculation very simple. That is the only reason. 10 days and 20 days I am making 20 as the magnitude value, which is LCM of 10 and 20, so that the 20 can be divisible by 10, 20 can be divisible by 20. The divisible, the quotient value is 2 here and 1 here. 10 2 times is 20, 20 1 time is 20. So now I am able to understand that each day, if A should complete 10 days, the work is 20 pieces of work. So each day A has to finish 2 pieces of work, and B has to finish only 1 piece of work to complete it within 20 days. If you agree, please respond. 10 days, 20 days, 2 works and 1. Yeah. So when 2 parts and 1 pieces of work is already there, you please add 2 plus 1, that will be 3, because the 3 pieces of work can be done by A and B together. When they are working together, they can able to do 3 works. The reason is A can do 2 works and B can, that is not a 2 works, that is 2 pieces of work. The total work is 20 pieces of work. The total work is 20 laddus. The total work is 20 bricks. The total work is 20 sweets. The total work is 20 cakes, eating, whatever it may be. So here 3 is a number that can be done by A and B. So according to the question, they work together for 5 days. So each day 3 chocolates. Each day 3 chocolates, 3 5 times 15 chocolates will be completed. 15 chocolates will be completed already. So the total work is 20, eating 20 chocolates, but 15 chocolates already over. So the left is only 5 chocolates. So that chocolates each day 1. So how many days it should? So 5. So in that manner you can able to solve very easily, very effectively. If you understood, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. 30 men working 5 hours a day, can do a piece of work in 16 days. 30 men. So 30 men, 5 hours and days 16. And the other is 20 men, 6 hours, the same work. So 6 hours a day. So how many days? So this is the question. So if I just want to calculate, I can just make it by using a formula M1 D1 H1 equals to M2 D2 H2. So 30 into 5 into 16 equals to 20 into 6 into question mark. So 0 0 cancel. 2 ones, 2 8 times, 2 4s, 2 3 times. So 5 4 times 20, 20 by 3, 20 by 3, 20 by 3 is the hours. So days. So number of days equals to 20 by 3. If you understood, type U in the comment box. If you understood, type U in the comment box. Yes or no?
Answer is 20, sir.
Okay, answer is okay. See, m1 d1 equals to m1 d1 h1 equals to m2 d2 h2. We are just substituting all the numbers. 30 times 5 times 16 equals to 20 times 6 times question mark. Is this clear? Yes or no? Till now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 0 0 will get cancelled, and 2 1 time, 2 8 times. So 2 4 time, 2 3 times. So 4 5 time is 20. 20 by 3 is the question mark. So question mark is actually days. So days equals to 6 2 by 3 days, which is none of the above. Yes or no? If you agree, type U in the comment box. In the present question, Ajay and Vijay undertake to do a piece of work for 200 rupees. So 200 rupees, Ajay and Vijay. So Ajay alone can do it in 24 days and Vijay alone can do it in 30 days. So that is there according to the question. So with the help of Pradeep, there is somebody, new guy, Pradeep, they finished in 12 days. A plus V plus P. Okay, Pradeep. So how much should Pradeep get for his work? So to get a solution for this, I need to know what is his efficiency. To get number one, efficiency, or I need to get one day work or ratio of abilities. I need to know, then only I can answer it properly. So 24, 30 and 12. So what might be the LCM? LCM is 120. LCM is 120 because 12 and 24 LCM is 24. 24 and 30 LCM is 6 4 times, 6 5 times. So 24 5 times is 120. So 24 how many times? 120 5 times. 30 how many times? 4 times. 12 how many times? 10 times. So what should be added here? To get 10? 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus what will be 10? So this is definitely 1. So A 5 parts, V 4 parts, P 1 part. So this is the ratio, this is their abilities, this is their work, this is one day work. Then according to this only the money, the wage will be distributed among A and V and P. A refers to Ajay, V refers to Vijay and P refers to Pradeep. Okay, and total number of parts is 10 divided by 10. Pradeep part is 1. So 1 by 10th part is 20 rupees. So answer over. If you agree, type U in the comment box. Here in 15 men could finish a piece of work. 15 men could finish a piece of work in 10 days. But at the end of 100 days, what happened? 15 additional men are employed. So at the end of first 100, they worked 15 men. But after that, additionally 15 men already joined. That means 30 men from 100 after 100 days. So how many more days will work be completed? In how many days that will be completed? That's it. 15 additional men are employed. So 30 men are working at present. So here 15 men can complete the work in 10 days. So according to the question, I should able to analyze. So within 210 days, the 15 men can complete. But here 100 days are already over. The leftover is 110 days. Because 15 men can do it in 110 days. The balance work. But at present, 15 additional employees employed, so 15 plus 15, 30 is working, but I don't know days. So this is again m1 d1 equals to m2 d2. So this 0 and thus 0 cancel. 3 one time, 3 5 time. 5 into 11, 55. So within 55 more days, the work can be completed. If you agree, type U in the comment box. So here Ajay, Vijay, Sanjay are employed to do a piece of work. Yes. So Ajay plus Vijay plus Sanjay, and they paid 529 rupees. So that is clear according to the question. And Ajay and Vijay are supposed to do 19 by 23rd part of a work. And Vijay and Sanjay are 8 by 23rd. So if I add all together, what I will get Ajay plus Vijay plus Sanjay plus Vijay. Yes or no? Because 2 times Vijay is here. So equals to 19 plus 8 is 27 by 23. So these many guys, these Ajay, Vijay, Sanjay as well as Vijay should get 27 by 23rd part. But in reality, Vijay is more here. That Vijay is automatically how much more? 4 more. So 4 by 23 more. Reason. What is the reason? I can make this 27 by 23 as 1 plus 4 by 23. That 1 is referred to the total work. That 1 is referred to the 529 rupees. That 4 by 23 is nothing but the Vijay's work. So if you understood now, please type U or respond. Are you clear? Yes or no? Yes, very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So Vijay parties, and now Ajay, Vijay and Sanjay. Ajay don't know, Vijay don't know, Sanjay don't know, but Vijay definitely he will work 4 parts. And Ajay and Vijay, they can complete 8 works because Vijay is 4, definitely Sanjay is also 4. Then only if I add, I should get 8. Yes or no? If you agree, please respond. Yes. Then Ajay and Vijay is 19. As Vijay is 4, then Ajay definitely it's a 15. So 15 is to 4 is to 4 is the value. 15 is to 4 is to 4 is the value. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the only reason. Now, how much should Ajay be paid? So, at present question, how much should Ajay be paid? So, they are asking about Ajay. So, Ajay parts is 15. 15 divided by 23 times 529. So, 23 one time, 23 times. 23 times 15. So, 23 10 times is 230. 23 5 times is half of 230. 345. So 345 is the answer. So because they are asking about Ajay, the price, the labor charge is 345. If they asked for Vijay, that will be 4 parts. So 4 by 23, 4 times 23 is 92. If they asked Sanjay, that is also 4 parts only, right? If you agree, type U in the comment box. Next question is, Anmol is thrice as good as workman as Vinay. Thrice and Vinay. So Anmol is thrice as Vinay. He is able to finish job Vinay, and therefore is able to finish the job in 60 days less than Vinay. Less than Vinay. So this is Vinay minus 60 days. So Vinay minus 60 days. If it is Vinay is V days, then how many days will they finish the work, the job, working together? This is what the question is. So if it is V, there will be V minus 60. So he is 3 times efficient than Vinay. So this have to be calculated now. So if I wants to calculate, if I multiply, these two should be equal. So 3 times V minus 180 equals to V. If you agree, type U in the comment box or respond. 3 times V minus 180 equals to V. Have you understood this? If you understood, type U or respond with a voice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So V left hand side 3V minus V is 2V. So 2V equals to 180, V equals to 90 days. So when V became 90, 90 minus 60 is 30. 90 minus V is 30. And now what I require? I require A plus V. LCM of 30 and 90. LCM of, to get the answer here, Ajay, Anmol and Vinay. So LCM divided by ratio, addition. So that has to be calculated. What is LCM? 90 divided by, what is ratio? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 how many times 90? 20 to 1 by 2 days. 20 to 1 by 2 days. So that's it. So if you agree, type U in the comment box. So that's the end of from 21st question to 30th question. All these questions are basics to the higher level questions, and a few questions are from previous exam questions, and these questions are very, very, very important to banking sector as well as staff selection commission. Okay, wish you all the best. We'll meet you in next video. Until then, bye bye.